beautiful angels, once again welcome back to my channel. I hope you people are doing awesome, guys. And in this video I have come up with this beautiful reddish oranges kind of half cut crease look for you people. This is absolutely perfect for Navaratri. Navaratri is just around the corner and everybody is so excited, including me. So I thought, why not to create a beautiful, easy, affordable Navaratri makeup tutorial for you guys. And here I am with this look, guys. You can wear this look in the evening as well as in the morning time. You can just simply change the lip shade and you are good to go, guys. And guys, if you are new to my channel, then I am Ipshita and my channel is Unique Butterfly. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. It will really means a lot to me. And if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to turn the black thumb blue. So guys, without any further ado, directly jump into the makeup tutorial. First, I'm brushing my brows with this spoolie. Then I'm using this mascara eyebrow cake and I'm taking that Brunette angular brush to first draw the outline of my brows to give it a perfect desired shape I wanted it to be. Then I'm filling the gaps of my eyebrow using that black and grey color. And then I'm filling the front section of my eyebrows using that grey color. And this is how I get my desired eyebrow shape. Then again I'm brushing it off with a spoolie. Then I'm using this Avon concealer and applying it on all over my eyelid and just blending it with my ring finger. This will act as a eyeshadow base. Then I'm using this Maybelline 24K palette, taking that beige matte shade to set the concealer properly using that fluffy brush. Then I'm using this Miss Clear Mono eyeshadow. It's a peach color. I'm taking the fluffy brush and applying that peach color on my crease area and blending it with that fluffy brush. Then I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Miss Clear and I'm applying that eyeshadow just below that peach shade using that same fluffy brush. Then I'm using this Miss Clear Bridal eyeshadow palette and taking that magenta and it has a red color too diagonally of that magenta color. I'm taking both of that color, having up the excess and just concentrating the color on my outer V of the eyes, because I wanted the eye look to be reddish, coppery sort of, reddish and champagne sort of. That's the reason I'm again taking that brown eyeshadow from Miss Clear Mono eyeshadow range and just blending the whole thing out properly using that same fluffy brush. Then using that same peach color to blend the whole thing out properly. Then using that same Avon concealer, taking the flat small brush and cutting my crease half, because as I have told you previously that I have created a half cut crease look and that's the reason I'm cutting it half. Then I'm taking that same Miss Clear Bridal palette and just mixing the red color with the half cut crease one and blending it properly. Then I'll be taking this 24K nudes palette from Maybelline, taking that goldeny champagne sort of color with my little finger and just pressing the color on top of that concealer or a half cut crease area, like in this way, the way I'm showing you. Then I'm taking this Lakme Iconic Kajal and I'm tightening my waterline and applying the kajal on my lower lash line as well. Then I'm taking that again in a clear bridal eyeshadow palette, taking that dome shape brush and just smoking out my lower lash line. With that 2 magenta and red color from that palette. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and applying this mascara on my upper as well as on my lower lashes. Then taking that same Maybelline palette, taking the champagne shade and using my little finger and try to highlight my inner corners of the eyes. And also I'll be taking that silver shade to highlight my brow bone. Then I'll be applying this false lashes off camera and I'm back. Now I am using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and applying it all over my upper and lower lashes. Then I'm using this Lakme Insta Liner and lining my upper lashes very thinly. I'm not making it bold. Then I'm using this plump mattifying moisturizer and applying this moisturizer all over my face. And after that I'm taking Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel and applying it in a dotted motion on all over my face. And just blending it with the Real Techniques beauty sponge. Then I'm using this CC cream from Lakme. This is in the shade bronze, but it is lighter than my skin shade, 1 or 2 shades lighter. I'm using it for the highlighting purpose. So I'm applying it under my eye, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, chin and middle of my forehead to highlight my face. I don't want too much highlighted look, but then I'm using this Maybelline Super Fresh Compact and setting my face with it using a flat top kabuki brush. Then I'm using this Sivanna blush contour highlighter palette, then taking that brown shade for bronzing my hollows of my cheek. I'm also bronzing the jawline of my face and also I'm bronzing the forehead of my face. Basically, I'm bronzing the perimeter of my face. Then I'm taking the 2 shade, this one and that one, and mixing the both of the shade and applying the blush on the apples of my cheek in a circular motion. Then I'm using this Mist Clear setting spray and I'm spraying it on all over my face so that my makeup stays for a longer period of time. Then I'm just blending the whole thing properly out with the same Real Techniques beauty sponge. Then I'm using this Sivanna highlighter and just applying that highlighter on the highest point of my face. I'm applying it on the apples of the cheek, cupid's bow, chin, tip of my nose, bridge of my nose, and on my cheekbone areas. Then I'm using this Faces Ultime Pro Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Brunette 20, and I'm applying that lip shade all over my lips. I don't know why camera is catching it red, but it's a pure dark brown color, chocolate brown color. And yeah guys, this is my finished look. You can add a bindi if you want to. I haven't applied a bindi over here. That was all about today's video. I hope you find this Navaratri makeup tutorial helpful and nice. And if you did so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. I know you people love me a lot, and you will definitely do. And I need your support, guys, to bring new content for you people. So guys, till then, be happy, keep smiling and stay healthy. Please enjoy your Durgapuja a lot, like eat food, hang out with your friends, and yeah, meeting you soon on my next video. Till then, bye bye.